Welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making a traditional sweet that is loved across India, Suji Besan Churma Laddu, rich, festive and full of flavor. First take 1 cup besan, 1 cup suji and 2 tablespoons ghee. Mix well. Add half cup water. Knead well and make a dough. Rub some oil and keep aside for 10 minutes. Now divide the dough into 3 portions. Roll each portion and flatten. Prick with a fork. Now fry in medium heat. Pricking the dough before frying prevents it from puffing up. Use medium heat for frying so the inside cooks evenly. Add some ghee. Fry until golden and cook well. Prepare all the pieces in the same way. In a pan, heat 1 teaspoon ghee. Roast 3 tablespoons dry fruits for 1 minute. And keep aside. For sugar syrup, take 1 cup sugar, half cup water. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes until one string consistency. Now break the fried pieces. Pour in blender and blend coarsely. Grind the fried pieces coarsely, not fine, for perfect churma texture. Now pour in a plate. Add roasted dry fruits and warm sugar syrup. Mix well and shape into laddus. Add the sugar syrup while warm so it blends perfectly. Besan is rich in protein and keeps you full longer. Suji provides energy and easy to digest. Ghee helps boost immunity and digestion. Nuts add healthy fats, vitamins and crunch. Delicious Suji Besan Churma Laddu are ready. Churma laddus are must-have in Rajasthani weddings. The combination of besan and suji gives a unique crunchy yet soft texture. This sweet is often prepared during Ganesh Chaturthi and Diwali celebration. Suji Besan Churma Laddu is a festival in every bite. Simple ingredients, royal taste. Would you enjoy these laddus warm or store them for later? Share your choice in the comments and follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more sweet delights.